Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Advanced Java. In this session we will discuss about the Mvc architecture and Crud operations in JSP. So let's begin it with Mvc. The Model View Controller, MVC, is an architectural pattern that separates an application into three main logical components: the model, the view, and the controller. Each of these components are built to handle specific development aspects of an application. MVC is one of the most frequently used industry standard web development framework to create scalable and extensible projects. Let's see them separately. MVC stands for Model View and Controller. It is a design pattern that separates the business logic, presentation logic, and data. Controller acts as an interface between view and model. Controller intercepts all the incoming requests. Model represents the state of the application, i.e. data. It can also have business logic. View represents the presentation, that is UI, user interface. What are the advantages of MVC? The basic advantages of MVC are: navigation control is centralized, and easy to maintain the large application. Let's understand it with an example. In this example, we are using Surflay as a controller, JSP as a view component, Java Bean class as a model. In this example, we have created 5 pages. Index.jsp, a page that gets input from the user. Controller Surflay.java, a Surflay that acts as a controller. Login success.jsp and login error.jsp files acts as view components. And web.xml file for mapping the Surflay. Let's see them all. I have already created the project. So let's see it. First of all, let's have a look on controller Surflay. In this Surflay I have created logic for validating the inputs from the index page. If it is validated correctly, then it would give success page, otherwise it will redirect the page to error page. For validating user we have to put the data. For data we have used Java Bean classes. Now let's have a look on Java Beans. We have a Java file named as login bean. I am opening it. This is basically setter and getter class. In this class I have created setter and getter methods for the fields from the login page, so that data can be stored and retrieved back. And for validating it, I have made password as admin. You have to pass admin in the password field in the form for successful login. Now let's see web XML file. Controller Surflay is Surflay, so we need to map it in web XML file. You can also use annotation form mapping your Surflay. But in this example I am mapping it with web XML file. See the code and map it. Now let's see index.jsp page. I have created a form for it. There are 2 fields, username and password. On action it will send to controller Surflay. Now let's see login error page. If the password is incorrect, this page will be called. There is a message on it. Now let's have a look on login success page. If the password entered is admin, then success page will be called, with the username entered. Here we are getting the username from login bean file. Now open the command prompt. Compile the Java files to classes folder in web.inf folder. Now copy the root directory and paste it to the web apps folder of Apache's Tomcat folder. Go to the browser and open the server console. Refresh the page. You can find the folder name in the application list. Click on the link, index page will appear. Give the input, and in password I wrote anything, click on go. It will send to the error page. Now go back and again give input, in password write admin. Click on go, it will send to success page. Now let's see Crud operation in JSP. You have already done Crud in Surflay. So we would not discuss much about it in this session. We will start it with an example. The logic behind the program is same as Surflay. In that example we did it with Surflay, in this we are doing it with JSP. See the steps. I will provide the project codes at the end of session. Make note of the steps that are shown. You can try this by your own as well. See the video. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.